Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a reverse flower dip with paper napkin and this 5-petal 3D printed cup from paintpourstore.com. They have 5, 6, 7, 8, I don't know, to 9 or even more petal shapes cups. You have a discount code into the description box too, if you want to have one. I never used these 5 petal ones before, so we will see how it will look. And I will use blues and yellows again. I'm still trying to send some positive vibes around the world. I did this one last week on a blue background with yellows, and it turned out just amazing. I love it. And this one was done with 8 probably flowers, 8 petal flower shaped cup. And today I will do the opposite thing. I will do a blue flower on yellow background. And I already painted my canvas with yellow because my Vallejo Azo yellow orange, I think, for a background is half transparent. And I have my pearl white mixture, Windsor blue, cyan blue, no, that was cobalt blue by Winsor & Newton, and this is Windsor blue, and sky blue light. And now I will pour my yellow color on the background, and I will be right back. That I will not bother you with this part. Okay, so my base coat is down. I try to find kind of a middle here. And I will start with pearl white, and I will just layer those paints a few times, few rows. Pearl white first. I can already see that it's not in the middle. Let's remove the cup. Okay. I don't mind a little yellow in the middle at all. Okay, let's spray my paper napkin with water. and see how this will look like. Let's put this in the middle. Second half. Okay. Exactly. What is going on with my pearl white? A little bit of yellow around. Let's give it one spin, or maybe two. No, don't like it. So what I will do, I will just add a little pearl white. I don't know, maybe I didn't mix it quite okay. And remove this and do a dip. If I can save it, because I don't like it at all. Okay, so I'll just press this down. Hopefully I will not have a lot of air bubbles underneath. Don't like that. What is going on with my pearl white? So this will be obviously saving paint. I will add a little more of Pearl Vallejo, Pearl Medium into my mixture. Okay, and I will pour here on plastic quite a lot. Pour white first and cobalt blue. And I will add some yellow on the canvas around, on the sides. Like that. And dip it now. Okay, let's see. Just a weird one. Let's do it again. So weird. Okay. I will keep this one. So here it is. Not happy about this around, but I love the flower. Even though there is no lacing, it's still beautiful, the flower. So I just want to show you that sometimes just don't go with plan, and that's how it is, but still can see some beauty in this flower. So hope that peace will come, no matter that I failed with my blue and yellow flower. So this is it for today, and see you on the next one. Bye.